As we have discussed in the yesterday's session about the trend and how it's going to be a green day, and that's happened. And if you're looking at the trend, there is also a reason for this price rise. If you can just go and check the dollar index, you will see a sustainable fall, and that's what is replicating in the stock market, where the equity indices has started moving higher. But I don't believe this phase, at least in the very short term, that dollar index will continue to fall, and the stock market will continue to rise. Because even if I have no doubt that dollar index will go lower, but it does not directly correlate with the stock market rise, because there are other challenges. So even if we can see the price move on the upside, please be a little bit aware about the trend and the price movement. And volatility will again I would say volatility will here to stay, and you will see volatility comes back into the market again. So that's something which we need to look at. Now with this thought, let's start analyzing the trend. And as you know, today is going to be the Friday the 13th. So Friday the 13th is something which sometimes good, sometimes bad. It all depend upon the perception and how he or she thinks, because there are lots of people, individual people, they have the thought that better stay away from the market on this day. Let's see. Now, as far as the Dow Jones is concerned, as you can see, for the last two trading session, I've been saying that don't trade the range, and if there is a breakout, then obviously we will move towards the upper end of the range, and that has exactly happened. So Dow Jones respected 33,452, then it has crossed 33,950. Now the two levels, what do we have here on the upside, are 34,610, and here we are 34,736 or 737. These are going to be the two targets on the upside. Now understand one thing, these are going to be your resistance levels as well. Okay, these are going to be your resistance levels as well, and there is nothing called it's going to be a breakout. We will wait for the breakout. Right now we have two targets, and they are going to be your resistance level. That's what you need to think and understand, because Dow Jones is trading in between a range, and there is no need to be extremely positive. So don't try to go below 34,736 or 740, even if you are holding the long positions. Okay, close your positions at the resistance zone. So that will definitely save you. And obviously today is the weekend, so there is no need to carry additional risk. So new day, we will start new things. So that's about the Dow Jones. As far as Nasdaq is concerned, Nasdaq does have a little more room to move, because it is the rank underperformer, and this is not the kind of move, at least I am expecting from Nasdaq, because Nasdaq, when it is started move, or when it actually started moving higher, you will see huge moves. These are just these are peanuts. Okay, so what do we have here? We have 10,938 or 940 on the downside as far as your support, and simultaneously on the upside we have 11,240 and 11,500. That is still open up, but maintain a strict stop loss at 10,938 as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. Now let's see what S&P 500 is telling, because I always refer back to the long-term chart and long-term trend, where it is saying that the downtrend is still intact, and whatever we can see, you may call it as a range bound session or a short term up move, but that does not make any impact as far as the big swing is concerned. Okay, because the move is not that big. The upside moves that are happening is not at all very big. So with this, let us see what's happening as far as the trend or range is concerned. So as far as S&P 500 is concerned, you have your strict stop loss at 3923. Please don't go below that. And we do have some upside, but these are also your resistance zone, so please understand. So you have 4031, 4060, and 4100 as far as the upper end of the range is concerned. So please don't go below that, and don't go above this, and you have your stop loss at 3923, and these are your strict stop losses. So the moral of the story, or the gist of today's session, will probably be that even if you have some upside which is left, but because all the indices are trading very near to the resistance zone, so please be a bit aware about the move which is about to happen. And because this is the last day of this trading week, so you need not to carry additional risk with you. Okay, there is no point carrying long or short. Just close your books or close your positions and enjoy your profits. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.